Welcome to AGN Steno classes. Dictation start. The life story of the great man must end on the some notes as the life story of the least important of man. Full stop. We must come in our reading to the point where the great man gives up his work, leaving it to other to carry on what he has begun. Full stop. His life, with all its wonderful interest, is past, and we who read are left with the memory of his life and with the results of his work. Stop. We know that this must be so, but we do not always like a thing better because we know that it is certainly waiting for us, and it is not surprising to find that there are people who can take no pleasure in this form of reading because they know from the outset what the end must be para. It is, however, no more profitable to run away, to turn our face from facts in reading than it is in life itself. And it is better to take the wider views and to read for the pleasure and the profit to be found in the consideration of the whole life with its many difficulties and its many successes. We stop. In this way, we can find both comfort and help for ourselves, whose lives may seem without set purpose to have little value. Full stop. We discover perhaps that some person whose name has been to us like a great white light far away beyond our touch. That person met in his early days with many of the some difficulties which are facing now, that he, like us, had no special advantage, no clearly marked course to follow. Like us, he had to make his own way step by step, learning as he went. Full stop. We find, for example, that one man who become became world known began his working life as a teacher, helping his brother in a small country school. Full stop. Another worked on a farm, and a third made his first special observation while holding a small and not important position on a ship which was making its way to the South Seas. Para.